How to hotspot smart TV from your phone. In today's video, I will show you how to hotspot smart TV from your phone. First, you scroll down, go to mobile data like this, then hotspot. Give the hotspot a long press. Then you go to configure settings like this, click on it, scroll down to advanced, click on it. Now under advanced, look out for hidden network, ensure this is turned off. When you're done, save. Now take note of this information. Our network is Galaxy and this is the password. We'll need that to enter the password. Optional, you can go to settings, go to connections like this. Then under connection mobile network, turn it on. Then you take it back like this. Now we'll go to hotspot settings, mobile hotspots, click on it. Also give it a long press as we've done before. Now you can configure just the way we've done before. Now let's connect to our smart TV. Go to the settings icon. Mine is on the topmost right corner of my TV. So I'll go to settings, click on it. Now I'll go to network and internet. Click on it. Now I'll ensure the Wi-Fi is enabled. If not, click on it. Click yes. And this gives me opportunity to see all the network available in my house. Now I'll click on see all to see all the network, but I'm interested in Galaxy. I'll click on that. Now I can enter my password. If I have symbols on my password, this is what I'll do. I'll go down to this part, click on it, it gives me option for symbols. Mine does not have, I'll go back to my password. This is how to enter your password. When you click on the particular letter or number, click OK in the middle to enter it. This is what I'll do. I'll ensure that it's accurate as possible so I don't repeat any process. I'll go to enter, click on it, and now I'm connected. Now I'll click on back. Now I can enjoy my favorite Netflix or YouTube.